Okay, so to send money from the United States to the no. Okay, so to send money from the US to the Philippines via GCash, all you have to do is open your Wise app from your phone, and from here just click on send. And once you're on the send menu, just click on add a recipient, and it'll ask you what currency. So obviously we're going to select Philippine peso. And then you're going to have to click on enter bank details. And from here, just select someone else. And over here, over here, they're going to ask for the account details. So you're going to have to select e-wallet and put in the full name of the account holder. And once you have the name of the account holder, just click on the wallet provider and select GCash. Once you've selected that, just put in the recipient's e-wallet number. And once that's done, you're going to have to put in the address as well. So click on city and add the city. And click on continue. All right, so once that's done, it's going to ask you for the amount. So obviously, you're going to be sending in a different currency. So just click on the currency here and select US dollars. And it'll also show you the conversion rate right up top. And it'll show you how much your recipient is going to get. So say we're going to send $100. So it'll show you that your recipient will be getting 5,486.09 pesos. So you could also and from here, you can select which account you're going to be paying with. Right now, it says connected bank account, and you can click change to change that and select whatever option you want here, either a bank account, wire transfer, debit or credit card. We're going to leave it as bank account for now, and it'll show you when it will arrive. It says here 1 a.m. by Saturday. You can change that just by clicking on schedule. And after that, you can click on total fees and taxes to see the breakdown of the fees and taxes. Once you've reviewed that and you're happy with that, just click on continue. And over here, you're going to have to provide the reason for your transfer. Okay, so once that's done, you're just going to have to confirm the details provided here. You can change the payment method if you want to, but for now, I think we're happy with this. And once you're happy with this, you can just scroll down to the bottom and click on continue payment. Once that's done, your payment will be sent to your recipient in the Philippines.